Big guy. How's it going, Howl? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Give a good stretch. Yeah. Turn around. Oh, there you go. Yeah. You were just destroyed in around your cage. That log is just a destroyed piece, isn't it? Yeah.
Not like emotional support animals.
You're a beautiful little African gray you are.
Some other birds,
There you
they're not
guys
necessarily
go.
always, they don't necessarily like to cuddle and stuff. Sometimes
See,
they
you're
just
good
wanna
with
chill,
some birds.
you know.
Just sit with you. Yeah.
But depends on the bird, and obviously depends
Well,
on the
of course,
person,
yeah.
right? So it was really frustrating keeping her away.
Kiwi, why are you being so mean? Why are you being so mean?
So, yeah, you
Hey.
were being real mean to the little guys,
Don't be mean.
weren't you?
Yeah.
Real mean to the little birds.
I don't think I've ever met. They're what are they called again?
Grover and avocado. No, I have.
Picture of him trying to bite at her through the glass.
So bad. You guys didn't take them out, hey?
No, there was nobody
He's a
around.
little sweetheart.
And
How's
we
it
had
going, you
Starfire too. She would
Kiwi?
not have liked it.
$200.
Is it Kiwi?
Yeah.
Okay, just making sure because I was about to call him Yoshi again.
Nah, it's Kiwi. You're good.
You just gonna be salty?
No, you're not gonna do your Kiwi dance.
No, you're like, I am unsure of this, Dad.
Kiwi, Kiwi. No, fuck you.
So, I think we figured that she doesn't dance music, she squawks at me to it. And it's like the Deftones she's been squawking to a little bit.
If you mean the one that
Oh,
kind of
yeah,
sticks out straight.
She like stepped on something one day
When she was
and
little and it got
yeah.
cut, and it hasn't worked since then. So we think she might have cut it.
there, he's coming. See? Hey, you got glass between you. He's not gonna hurt you. He just wants to meet you. He just wants to meet you. Oh, he wants to bite you. He wants to bite you, but there's glass in the middle. Oh, but he's doing good hangs.
He's so cute.
Yeah, we're not getting him, don't worry. Oh, there you go.